Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your online reviews with Yelp, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your online reviews from Yelp, start by logging into your Yelp account. Navigate to the business owner section of the site. Select the business location from which you want to transfer reviews. Access the Reviews tab to view all feedback associated with your business. Take note of the reviews you wish to transfer. If you are transferring to another platform, check if they support direct imports from Yelp. If not, gather the reviews manually. Copy the text of each review you want to transfer. Open the platform where you intend to transfer the reviews. Locate the section for adding customer reviews. Paste each review into the appropriate fields. Make sure to include the original reviewer's name if possible. Add any relevant response or comment to each review if required. Save each review after pasting. If the platform allows, format the reviews to enhance readability. Once all reviews are transferred, review them for accuracy. Confirm that all aspects of the reviews match the originals. Finally, publish the transferred reviews on the new platform. Check back periodically to ensure they remain visible and correctly displayed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.